It's morning edition and can do time once again. Kata, I have to tell you before we begin, I was thinking about you earlier this week.
Thinking about me? Why?
Well, as you might know, and some others might know, I have been moving the past couple of weeks. So I was finishing up this past weekend and I paused and I said, hey, where's Kata and why isn't he helping me?
Oh, man, that's great. You should have called me.
Really?
I could have recommended a great moving service for you.
Thanks. I appreciate the thought.
That's about it, Chuck.
As I like to say to people, we're friends, but we're not that kind of friends, all right?
Got it.
But it is great to be back, and it's the first one of the new year here. Can Do, where we go over all of the local happenings that are really cool, some of them off the beaten path. But Kata Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network, that's who he is. He joins us every week to do that. So are we kicking off the new year with a bang or what? Let's talk.
Yes. We're kicking off the new year with something that might hurt your feet. This is the MPS Walking Tour, National Park Service, to be exact. This is January 8th, and it's going to be from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. over at Fort Monroe in Hampton.
Cool.
And you can go to the Visitor and Education Center to start it off. It says here, join a ranger-led walking tour to explore the history of Fort Monroe, known as the Gibraltar of the Chesapeake. Learn about his role in national defense and the diverse workforce that constructed the largest fortification in the Western Hemisphere. This event is free to the public. Our favorite word, free.
And we always love going over and checking out things at Fort Monroe. If you have not been over there, this is a great day out, and there's some places you can grab a bite while you're over there and walk around and check out the entire installation, look at the water, and so awesome. Okay. So next up, it looks like we're going green, in a manner of speaking.
That's right. We're going to the Virginia Aquarium Christmas Tree Recycling. This is going to be ongoing, and it's going to be at the Virginia Aquarium and Marine Science Center over in Virginia Beach.
All right.
So here you're going to be able to recycle your live-cut Christmas trees to support marine conservation. The trees are going to be used to restore sand dunes along the coastline and things like that, to help the animals and the habitats and things like that. So the trees must be bare, they must be live-cut, and from households only.
All right, so don't show up with like a truck full of 25.
Only the first 200 trees will be taken.
What a great idea by the Virginia Aquarium, too. Hats off to them for that. So as we move forward, this next one, I'm seeing cartoons. What is this about?
All right, so this is the Cartoon Rave. This is going to be January 11th from 9 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. at the Vanguard Brew Pub and Distillery in Hampton. This is an immersive dance party featuring EDM DJs, cartoon visuals, themed drinks, and remixes of cartoon favorites.
All right.
And also VIP tickets, different access, and a private bartender.
And up next, another throwback event. So
We got Be Kind and Rewind, all 90s, with opener A Night of Amy Winehouse tribute.
And where do we find this one?
Now, this is going to be January 13th, and it's going to be at Elevation 27 over in Virginia Beach. This is going to be a night filled with 90s hits. That's right. And a tribute to Amy Winehouse. General admission tickets are $20 in advance, $25 on the day of the show, with elevated seating and reserved dining available for $35.
All right, so that's Virginia Beach, and we have time for one more. Let's end it big.
And last but not least, we got the 2025 New Year's One Love Winter Reggae Cruise. I'm not gonna mess your heads up with my reggae accent.
Okay.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell you the date. January 13th, 2025. That's right. It's 2025 now, so don't forget to write that instead of 2024. And it's gonna be 10:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. And it's gonna be on the Spirit of Norfolk over in Norfolk. Celebrate the new year with a reggae-themed cruise featuring live music, food, and dancing as you sail through the Chesapeake Bay.
Okay, now, as we've been saying to you, we have more events coming in than we can ever get on the air in a segment once a week. So we include all these events and more in a weekly newsletter. This newsletter goes out to 120,000 people, too.
That's amazing. I'm one of 120,000 people. That's great.
Yeah, so if you want that list and our award-winning journalism, just go to whrv.org over on the right-hand side, click on subscribe to our newsletter. So, Kata Plus, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Chuck.
Hey, and don't forget to email us your events you'd like mentioned on Can Do. It's cando@whro.org. Keep Kata busy. He needs the work. Take care.
Later, guys.
It's Morning Edition.